Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will speak on Raghunath Vinayak Dhulekar. He was born on 6th of January 1891 in Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh in a Marathi speaking family. He graduated from Calcutta University with Bachelor of Arts degree in English. After graduation, he obtained Masters of Art as well as LLB degree from Allahabad University. He started his practice in civil and revenue matters at the District Court Jhansi and later shifted to the Divisional Court Jhansi. In 1921, he left his practice and actively joined non-cooperation movement and became a very active member of the Congress party. He was appointed to Constituent Assembly from United Provinces on a Congress party ticket. He was a very vocal person and spoke on various issues, like he was a strong supporter of prohibition of cow slaughter. He was of a strong opinion that Hindi should be made as the official language of the independent India. He was against the concept of reservation of seats. He also spoke as regards the Constituent Assembly and its status, mostly after 15th of August 1947. On 20th of August 1947, quote, since August 15, it has assumed full powers of administration, including the power of framing constitution, and we can perform those functions while sitting here at one place. So this is spoke regarding the powers which Constituent Assembly got in dual capacity. He passed away on 1st of January 1980. We are grateful to the contribution which he gave in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.